Hello students, today we are going to learn notice writing. What is a notice? It's a short piece of formal writing used to inform the concerned people about an event, program or lost property. Generally, notices inside schools and other organizations appear on the notice boards and sometimes on the website. Notices issued by the government appear in the newspapers. Let me explain you the ideal format of a notice. A notice is usually placed in a box. The name of the issuing authority or organization comes first and it is written in the center. The title notice is written in block letters. Next comes the date, which is aligned to the left of the box in the expanded form. A heading to introduce the subject of the notice is written next. It explains the purpose. Then we have the body of the notice, which is also left aligned. A well written notice informs the reader about 5 things: what, where, when, who and whom. So remember these 5 W's: what's going to happen, where will it take place, when will it happen, who are eligible for it and whom to contact for further information. So the body of the notice should cater to all the necessary details. Finally, we end with the writer's name and designation. It gives authority and validity to the document. Now that you have learned the format of a notice, remember some key points while you are drafting a notice. Point number 1, keep it precise and short. The ideal length of the notice is 50 words and use formal language and avoid flowery text. Use passive voice as far as possible and present your notice in a proper format in a box. Let's have a look at an example. You are Ronak of class 6th studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Tanjavur. You have lost a wristwatch in the school campus and write a notice in not more than 50 words. I have given the answer here. So point number 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is the name, the title, the date and the heading is written. The body of the notice is very well drafted. This is to inform you all that my wristwatch has been lost somewhere in the playground during the lunch break. It's a brand new Timex watch with silver dial. So all specifications are given. Whosoever finds it is requested to return it to the undersigned. The finder will be given a suitable reward. And it has been signed by Ronak and he has also mentioned his class. Now let's have a look at another example. You are Rekha of class 8th B, Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Tanjavur. You have found a purse. Draft a notice asking the owner to contact you and collect it. Now let me focus only on the body of the notice. This is to inform all the students that a purse has been found near the assembly stage on 22nd June. It has a few documents and some cash. The owner can collect it from the undersigned by furnishing the correct details during the lunch break. Rekha has written her name and her class and section. Let's move on to see another example. You are Meera, head girl of Delhi Public School. Write a notice to inform all the students about the inter-school painting competition which will be held in your school. So this is about an event. So that can be given as the heading, inter-school painting competition. This is to inform all the students that our school is organizing an inter-school painting competition on the topic Save Our Earth. The details are as follows. The date, the day, time and the venue is clearly mentioned. And Meera has also specifically mentioned the deadline for the students to submit their names if they are interested in taking part in this competition. And finally, she has placed her name and class and section, that is her designation. I hope you got an idea about how you have to draft a notice for various requirements. There are 2 examples that you can try it out so that you can have a check on your understanding about the topic. So I'll meet you all in the next episode with yet another interesting topic. Thank you. Stay safe.